Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, guys, we got this puppy right here to unbox. It's the REDRAGON Taipan Pro wireless and wired gaming mouse, all right, with RGB. This right here is going to cost you right now $29.99 on sale. Normally, they go for $32.99, but they do have a black variant. This is the white variant. The black variant is $26.99 right now. So I think, if you want to save a couple of more dollars, go ahead and get the black variant. Okay, guys? But we're going to go ahead and get into the little details real quick. This is going to be a quick unboxing, too. I'm just letting you know. The REDRAGON Taipan Pro is 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection, a PAW3325 sensor, 10,000 DPI max, rapid fire shortcuts, customizable macros, 1,000 milliamp hour battery, and DIY lighting modes and software updates. So you get all that for $29.99, depending on when you're seeing this video. So without further ado, let's get to the Eagle Eye View. Hey guys, before we get into the Eagle Eye View, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. All right, welcome to the Eagle Eye View. This is how it looks. Box look. We'll be using this as an unboxing knife today. Get some good use out of this one. I'm gonna put this up, so I'm gonna cut myself. All right, let's go ahead. So this is the mouse. All right, we have wires and we have booklets and stuff. All right, sorry for bumping it. All right, so we have this. This is some trolling stickers. So here we go. They're ready for battle. So you got a bunch of trolling stickers too. That's always good to have trolling stickers. All right, that we have the book. Don't throw that away. You might need it. And we have this. Okay, let's see what type of. Oh, this is nice, guys. This ain't the plastic stuff. All right, I like that. Okay. Okay, so we have it's a cloth. All right, so nice. USB A to USB C. Okay, yeah. Okay, nice one. I like that. Okay. REDRAGON, doing it good. Nice and long. Okay, I like that. Not that heavy either. Nice and light. Put that over here. Let's get to the main view. This is it right here. All right, that's how it is. So you have your two side buttons. Have this third button up here. Have these two buttons up here. You have your scroll wheel. Now I'm never going to use none of this, to be honest with you. So it is what it is. No battery. You have your stuff on the back. You have your eco mode right there, eco mode. You have the off, you have the on. Then what you do to get to let me see if I can get this open. Wow, am I having a hard time with this today? Oh, there we go. Right here. So that's pretty good. Wow, that's nice. So you have that. So if you ever need to carry this with you, put it in there, and you will keep it safe. So that's it, guys. So let's go ahead and I'll let you see how I compare it to my old mouse. I said mice, and then we'll get to charging up. All right, so this is what my old mouse was, guys. And I'm gonna tell you what happened. I end up losing this piece right here. And that piece, without that piece, you can't use the mouse unless you use it wired, and I don't like using it wired. So that's why I had to get a new mouse. Now, don't get me wrong, I love this mouse. This mouse, comfortable. And as you can see, roughly about the same size, same width, but this has the little fin in the back. Look like a like a squid fin in the back, where it's kind of comfortable with the hand. Now this is going to be a little different, you know, which is pretty decent. And you can see they have the 2 buttons here. You have the buttons up here, and this lights up with the scroll wheel. You can see I've been using this for a while, guys. Using this for a long while. So basically, it's the same type of ergonomics. Now I paid, I think I paid maybe almost I probably got this on sale. So I think it was about $100 or $70, $80 for something like this at the time when I bought it. And this right now is only $29 right now. So as you can see, they're kind of similar, but this has 3 more buttons. No, yeah, 2 more buttons than this does. So yeah, that's how it looks. Get to charge it up, you can use the same wire king with it. But hey, thought this was a little bit weird, or maybe it's not weird, maybe because I never really realized it, but they said that with the RGB lights on, you get about roughly 2 hours of constant use. With the RGB off, you get about 8 hours. Now I know most people just use it plugged up, so they'll never have that problem. So I thought that was kind of weird. So let me know if that's weird, guys. Also, that when the power indicator low light come up, the low lights come up, it'll be the middle wheel that's shining if your mouse is on low battery or it needs to be charged. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get charging up. Oh, so that's probably how it would look when it needs to be charged up. Let you know, hey, it needs to be charged up. But other than that, this is how it looks while it's charging. Take this off, put this on here, boom. So it works with that. Now this is fast charging, but it's variable fast charging. So all right, guys, so that's how it looks charging up. So what we're gonna do, let it charge up for a couple of minutes, maybe 20 minutes, and I'll see you in a little bit. As you can see, the mouse is right there working. So we're gonna use this first. And then we're gonna turn it on. And so when it comes on, you see the RGB starts flowing. All right. So it works, as you can see. So I don't normally like mine that fast. I'm gonna see if I can change it to make it slower. Okay, so now what I'm learning is if you hit this button, it changes the DPI, so it goes faster. So if I hit it again to green, and then if you hit it again, it goes to yellow, makes it faster. And if you hit it again to purple, makes it really fast. That's the only, goes all the way up to purple. So when you go back down, goes all the way down to red, that's the slowest. As you can see, I don't like the way that feels. It's too slow. So I like probably on green. So you do have this. Now I have to find out how to cut off the, the RGB lights if you want to cut it off. So I don't know what that. I think you can, make this any way you want to. So econ mode. All right, that's what that is. Okay, so econ mode allows you to turn off all the other RGB. So you turn it on, turn it off. When you hit econ, you only get that is glowing to let you know. You return to on, you get all the RGB. So I'm learning right with y'all guys. All right, so I thought, so these are programmable buttons. You can program them as well. I don't know why all this is coming up. Maybe it's me. Let me just get rid of this. Turn this back down. No thanks. So that's how that looks. All right, so we're gonna get the MacBook and we're gonna see if it works. Oh, before we go, let's see how it works with the, we're gonna turn this off, see how it works with the wire. All right, so that's how it looks wired up. And you don't even have to turn it on. You have it off and it'll still work. So, and it's letting you know it's charging up. But you can still switch the DPI. So we'll go to, like I said, green or yellow. That's what I like it. All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna try it on the MacBook. Right, guys. Now you know I have the MacBook Neo. So what we're gonna be using to make sure this works with it, we have to use one of these. Okay, guys. You have to use, because this don't have the USB-A, so you're gonna have to hook it up in here. Dongle life, guys. Dongle life. So there, and then we're gonna hook right there. Then we're gonna go ahead and cut it on. It says accessory. I'm gonna say allow. And let's see if it works. Yep, it works, guys. And then I didn't even know that happens. If you do this on Mac, it makes the pointer kind of bigger. So as you can see, it is working, and I can change the DPI to make it faster. All that works as well. Back it down to yellow. So there you go. It works. You can see it is working. Let me shake it. Shake, 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 shake. So it's working. So let's see if it works plugged up. Again, you're going to have to use this. Turn this off. There we go. And we're going to say yes. So there we go. We're just going to come out of that, but it works. Even plugged up, it works. All right, guys, so we're going to get to regular view. Keep my final thoughts and give this puppy a grade. Yo, 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 I'm back to give the REDRAGON Taipan Pro wireless wired gaming mouse a grade and my final thoughts. And guys, guess what? I really do like this mouse. Okay, now, let me be honest. I'm not going to use the macros. I'm not going to use this no more than playing WoW. I'm a druid for the horde. I'm a druid. I got some allies, but I'm a druid first. And I'm for the horde, okay? I'm a druid. Matter of fact, I am a troll druid, okay? For the horde, okay? So that's all I'm playing for. Playing some Resident Evil, playing games like that. I'm not competitive, so I don't know how this would work for competitive gaming. Not my space, not my thing. But for a mouse, I don't know what a premium mouse feel like, but it feels to me, you know, pretty good. I'm not gonna say premium because I know there's mouses, you know, gaming mouses that can cost a lot of money and they're weighted and you can calibrate it and everything is customizable. Okay, this is not one of them. Okay, this is a $29.99 mouse. Okay, $32.99 if you catch it off sale. Okay, this is a decent mouse. Okay, so I don't know what makes a mouse, you know, not feel plastic, because most mouse I've ever, you know, tested or have had are plastic. So to me, I really do like, I like the RGB. I like the fact that, you know, you don't have to do a series of switching up here. You can just hit that button, the econ button. It cuts off all of the RGB but the middle one, so you can still tell. So I really do like it. Now, the only thing I don't like about it, this is, again, my fault because I didn't look into it. You know, I thought all of them came with the being Bluetooth, but this ain't Bluetooth. This is, if you don't have that little part to put into the receiver, or the receiver to put into the computer, it doesn't work, or plug it in, you know, wired. So maybe I should have said Bluetooth. If you're looking for that, then I will put in this description Bluetooth so you can find out which one of these have Bluetooth, because they do have many of these. But I do like it, guys. So I'm going to give it an A for my usage, okay? I was using this for a long time, not realizing it didn't have Bluetooth on it. And guess what? This don't have, now I do, so I can't lose that little piece. All right, guys? So I'm going to give it an A. Okay, guys? So if you're looking for something cheap, decent, not too cheap, decent budget, I will go ahead and get the REDRAGON Taipan Pro. All right? Guys, before we go, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe if you made it to the end of the video. And I want to thank my current and new and current for still rocking with the channel. Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, a.k.a. Pastor Tech, thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing video. Guys, do me a favor. Please hit the notification bell icon wherever it is on your screen so you can be notified anytime we drop a new video, and we got some more videos coming. All right, you have a good day. Peace.